A very warm welcome to you all. It gives me pleasure in introducing SenSmart Group. This presentation will run approximately for 5 to 7 minutes. The main objective of this presentation is to introduce SenSmart Group. SenSmart Group basically has got 4 different units: SenSmart Technologies, Prime Testing, SmartServe Global, and Nexteye Technologies. And basically we formed our operations in 2005. We are dedicated for software solutions and services for diversified industries like banking, financial services, insurance, securities, government, healthcare, manufacturing, distribution, retail, and any other B2B or B2C kind of environments. We have got more than 600 plus man years of experience in software, and we are partnered to Microsoft at various levels. We are a gold partner and also with gold application development competency. We are also been part of various associations globally, that includes British Business Group. We have Spanish Chamber of Commerce, London Chamber of Commerce, Confederation of Indian Industries, NASCOM, etc. And our products are IP protected in 182 countries. All the products are in-house developed with our own employees who are working full-time with us. And we are ISO 9001-2008 certified by Guardian Independent of Europe. And the expertise of SenSmart is we have range of products which we'll be seeing in the coming slides. We can do the bespoke development or developing of customized software solutions specific to the needs of the clients. And we can set up offshore or on-site development centers for the clients where we can support them in delivering products in their environmental factors. We also do technology consulting services on very high-end professionals that includes SAP, Oracle, SharePoint, .NET, or analytics, data scientists kind of resources. And we do help organizations in migrating their old applications to the new database or new language or new platform migration activities. We do support them. And the Prime Testing Services runs the premium quality reliability services, and we do performance certification on various applications, their scalabilities, hardware sizing, etc. And we are also specialized in big data, BI, data marts, and EWH kind of environments using SmartServe Global. Come back to the software solutions portions, which is handled by SenSmart Technologies, one of the prime arm of the SenSmart group of companies. All our applications supports cloud, VMware, clustering environment. The application includes, we have a CRM product called Entire CRM that comes with the customer relationship management, customer complaint management, 360-degree view of the customer engagement process, and it also has lead management, campaign management, incentives, targets, channel partner engagement, EWMS. So a complete chain of the requirements of the customer is directly met with the entire CRM. The advantage of the SenSmart products are that we are using a technology blend called the HTML5 being used as the front ending, and the business logic is written out of the C#, and we support the technologies like AngularJS, CSS, Ajax, and WCF. Plus on the backend we are supporting the MySQL, SQL, and Oracle databases. And every of the products are coming with the data visualization reports or BI reports or business decision reports, which are coming with the MemSQL and the technology of compression of data for faster delivery with the moving HTML5 graphs, where user can choose the data points as per his wish on fly. And The applications are certified to work across any browsers that includes Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Opera, or any mobile browsers. They can work across tablets, iPads, smartphones, laptops, irrespective of their operating system as well. The applications are tightly integrated to SMS and email platforms for sending alerts, notifications, escalations. They are also capable of processing the inbound email and SMS and act on them without a human intervention. And these applications are multilingual enabled. We support 160 plus languages which are Unicode based for both entry as well as view. The application comes with the audit trail mechanism which completely monitors and tracks the entire transactions. Every transaction system captures the electronic signature of user in addition to the data related to the system from where the transaction was committed and the date and time of the transaction. It also has the capability of monitoring the values that have been altered or inserted or deleted from the system. We have a database archival system which completely archive the data which is not relevant for the live users and create an archive setup from the reporting mechanism to view them at any point of time. This maintains the healthiness of the database so that the application performs fast. The application is benchmarked or performance certified by Microsoft in their labs for a concurrent users. And we also comes with a report generation system which is a drag and drop kind of reporting tool where the users can generate the reports which can be of graphical or tabular or data or a letter based report kind of environment. And the application is currently used in 157 countries and with a combined user base of around 450,000 users, and we pull approximately 3 million transactions a day on our platform. And the next product in line to introduce is the entire IWMS, that is the Integrated Workplace Management System, which is a combination of our the facilities management and the asset management. Facilities management handles all the list of properties, both furnished and unfurnished. It captures the complete physical data of the property, plus it has the facility to keep the documents and images of that property. It has the mechanism to track the particular properties compliance to the security regulations and the local government regulations. It handles the infrastructure which is available within the property. Maintenance activities of the property of both preventive, predictive and user initiated are managed by the application itself, and it can track the market value of the property. Any complaints, it comes with the complaint board where the users can raise a complaint and track them for their positive closure. It maintains the complete history of ownership of the property. Legal compliances is managed. It also has the contact database of the property that includes the resources right from the electrical people or plumbing people or the legal or the stationery suppliers or water suppliers. So centrally at any point of time you can manage in the property whatever the data you wanted to have, and you can also track the available infrastructure in the property vis-a-vis the utilized levels of that. So whenever you want to expand, you can just look into system to see the available space or infrastructure and then expand out of that. The asset management system is one of the most advanced applications available in the world. It comes with the asset management with barcode, RFID and GPS tracking. It handles the details of the assets, indexing of the assets based on various categories and subcategories. And the asset mode is own asset, leased assets, bonded assets. Those things can be tracked, and the insurance details of the assets, warranty details of the assets, depreciation of assets. In addition to maintaining multiple documents of the assets on the same system is possible with the application. The second portion of that asset management is it comes with barcode, RFID or GPS tracking, which helps you in tracking the movement of the assets plus also to the physical inventory cancellation at the defined periodicities. The asset management comes with the auto discovery of IT assets within the network of the organization, which automatically scans all the assets and comes with the data like the hardware, the current levels of utilization of memories, hard disk, the environmental factors that are running in the system, plus the list of softwares that are installed on applications, both the licensed and freeware and the anti-pirated ones. This helps in managing the software asset management or ITIL kind of environments. Entire CAMS or entire IWMS, what we call it, also has a maintenance management module which takes care of the preventive maintenance schedules of both time-based maintenance and counter-based maintenance, and it comes with preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, and the user-initiated maintenance activities. The number of analytical and graphical reports with the business decision reports helps in monitoring the health of those assets and also track any escalations or deviations from the process of that maintenance. This ensures the longer life of the assets and the facilities in addition to their high availability at any point of time. The next solution is our again another innovative product, the entire DMS, which is the document lifecycle management system. This comes with three portions of it. We have a docket management wherein the user can create an introductory note and attach multiple types of documents for that particular note, like for example circulars or for example the policies kind of stuff. And the second thing is we have a document archival system where the users can create the FileNet kind of environment where they can create multiple dockets, drawers or folders and give access rights for people depends on the particular type of documents for read, write or view kind of environment. The uniqueness what we had built is we had developed a document viewer, which is again a browser where the documents are streamed directly from the server. So this helps that the end user need not have the local instance of MS Office or Acrobat Viewer or any audio video programs to view the documents or read them out. So that means even a Office 2013 PowerPoint presentation can run out of a Linux system or from any of the mobile devices without any requirement of local instance of these products. And when it is showed on the read-only mode, the end user cannot print, cannot copy, can't do print screen, which gives a secure mode of accessing of documents. System comes with digital signature, it comes with watermarking facilities and is compliance to the DRM standards over there. And it also has got a business process automation engine wherein any of the business process that likes the vendor invoice processing or document approvals or policy approvals, all those kind of business processes can be configured in the system. It starts with a mailroom application where the physical documents are barcoded, scanned, uploaded into system with the very lightest formats available, and based on the indexing of those documents the workflow is initiated and is tracked till the documents are properly approved or rejected. Based on the result of that, we can have this system interfaced with your existing applications like ERPs or the portals wherein the data can be moved on using APIs or middlewares for further activities. And the entire DMS also helps in managing or storing of documents related to employees, policies, SOPs, marketing related materials or any type of documents. Our document viewer supports 24 types of documents right from MS Office 97 to the MS Office 2013, OpenOffice, any text files, HTML, image files, audio files, PDF, etc. The next product in line is our ERP system. It has a full-fledged ERP application starting from the materials management with a purchase and inventory management. It has got a sales, financial accounting, and it also has got a vendor portal and logistics management. We have a complete HR software starting with the recruitment management where you can create the manpower budgeting, manpower requisition, recruitment agencies, advertisement management, interview management, issuing of offer letters. Then the employee profile is the single source of viewing the data of employees without any need to get into physical files. The employee profile handles the geographical detail of that employee with the contact information, You can attach any type or any number of documents against the employee that includes right from an offer letter to appointment letter to the scanned copies of their degree certificates or relieving letters. Any type of documents can be attached. Then it takes care of their work environment, about their probationary period, confirmation date, accommodation given, eligibility for leave encashment, eligibility for free travel, and it comes with the reporting structure, to whom the reporting is being made, what is the KRA KPI at that point of time. Then it has got the salary structure for that employee with the revision history of his salary, with the loans and advances details of that employee. The next tab gives the information related to the skill set and the language compatibility of employee. The next tab that gives the information of employees, including his attendance detail, his leave details, his OD details, permission details, with direct interface to your smart card or biometric system. The next tab gives the information related to the trainings given to employees, and the next tab gives the information about his passport details and the visa of that employee for different countries, the insurance details, the vaccination details, and if he is an expat employee, that handles information like what is his RP number, the expiry date, the health card number, expiry date, insurance, expiry date. System completely manages the alerts and escalations of them for proper or timely renewal of them. Career history displays the career path of that employee. Then we have specified skills page where the employee skills are tracked and monitored over there. Dependent page talks about the list of family dependent of that employee and the eligibility of various services. You can configure the end of service benefits and other related benefits of the employee in the employee profile screen itself. Then we have the induction management, we have infrastructure management, we have performance appraisal, time and attendance, ESS, loans and advances, salary processing of the employee, exit management, and then other modules like library management, visitor management, campaign management, project management are part of the HRMS system. Then we have a legal and litigation management system that handles right from the pre-case management of legal opinions, legal notices, to the court proceedings like filing of case, tracking of the court cases, monitoring of the payment schedules over there. Then complaints management about the judgment, whether the complaints has been adhered or re-appeals, all those things are managed part of the entire legal. We have another unique product called InstiView that completely innovative and intelligent statement project which helps in any B2C companies like banks or telcos when they give statements to clients. Rather than a dumb PDF, it is an offline application in HTML5, again sent through the clients as a standard email attachment, where the clients can see their multiple accounts or multiple relationship with the corporate and access them within multiple clicks. So that gives a personalized statement, breaking the barrier of gold, silver kind of environment. So the user can see the trends, you can send the personalized campaigns, everything is managed part of the InstiView product. And we have another solution, KTA, which is useful for the corporates in the training, knowledge base creation and the online examination or online assessment of the candidates or applicants or employees in terms of multi-choice, fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following, short answer, long answer, and visual based questions. Then we have SmartServe, which is a specialized data company engaged in big data, BI, enterprise data warehousing and data mart services. We have our own analytics and business decision reporting system, which is of HTML5 based, one of the superior applications available in the industry in terms of performance and the data delivery capabilities. And we have our own middleware and API. We are also helping large corporates in development of middleware and API using different technologies. We support the corporates in migration and re-engineering services, where we do help in migration of database, for example the lower version to higher version, or moving of database from one database to another set of database, like for example MySQL to SQL or Oracle to SQL kind of environment. We help them to migrate platforms, right? For example, Windows Server 2000 to 2012 kind of environment with different patches. and we also help them to migrate from the old technologies to the latest technology. And the re-engineering of applications, any application that is developed in Microsoft technology, we have the capability to re-engineer in terms of performance tuning, in terms of certification of products for the technical code. Those kind of activities we perform. The technology spread of SmartServe is we are having in Microsoft BI Stack, SAP HANA and Business Objects, Oracle BI, Hadoop, Cassandra, OpenNLP and other related technologies. On the DB side, we do support MemSQL, MongoDB, Oracle, SQL and MySQL. Prime testing is the software reliability services. Why we use the word reliability is the quality assurance alone doesn't ensure that application can run in a long run. So the large corporates who are acquiring the services, the high availability of application is a very critical requirement for them, and not only the functionality and regression testing. So here we do certify applications for their performance, scalability and hardware sizing. For example, here we certify an application which is procured today to run for 1000 users with a roadmap of escalating that to 5000 users in next to 3 years with a data size of let's say around 50 million records. So we certify whether the application can still produce results under 3 seconds or 5 seconds with the given hardware sizing when it reaching that 5000 users with that 50 million plus records. We virtually create the scenario simulating the type of users, the type of entries, and we mock and create the entry by virtual users in the system as if the humans are entering directly, and we gauge the performance of the application and also the vital parameters of your server in terms of the resource occupancy and certify whether the application is intact. We create automated test bed so that any future upgrades or patches, you can just feed the application within couple of hours, you will get the results in this sprint. And we do certify for architecture certification, functionality and smoke testing, multi-device, whether the application will work across multiple browsers, mobile devices, multiple operating systems of mobiles, versions, we certify it. Cross-browser certification, and we create automated test bed. So there are multiple tools we are using towards this particular activity. The Nextway Technologies is an enterprise mobility company where we do develop applications which are hybrid in nature, which will work across all platforms like iOS, Windows, Android and BlackBerry. And we have mobile extension for existing ERP, HRMS or CRM, Salesforce kind of applications. And it also has got the IT consulting or contract staffing where we do in Microsoft technology in HTML5, PHP, Oracle, MySQL, SAP, Dynamics, Navision. We support those areas. We also do application maintenance services. Why SunSmart? Basically, it's a focused organization delivering value to customers. We have presence in US, UK, Middle East, Asia and Europe, a large spread. The advantage to the client because of our widespread is that we understand the international standards and the international requirement of clients. So we bring in to our clients across geographies a highly qualified and standardized application that has the futuristic approach, meets the current requirement completely and gives them the edge over their competitors in their sustained growth of the business. So the global business basically helps our clients in terms of the maturity of SunSmart in providing quality products for them. We have range of unique solutions and services. Basically, we are economical. I won't say we are cheap, but we are rightly priced, effective, superior solutions and services that ensures multiple return on investment. We use the latest technology, performance and scalability of the applications. The principles of SunSmart is the trustworthiness, dependability, quality and consistency. Rather than we talk about the processes, we are putting ourselves as the technology partner rather than vendor, so that we know what's the pain point of our clients. We involve ourselves in giving the solution rather than just developing and delivering what is available or what is standard. So a solution which is tailor-made for the client that addresses the pain points directly and gives him the edge over the competitors Working as an IT department or IT extension of that organization is what SunSmart is about, not just a vendor. Some of the clients spread, we have the list of clients in banking and finance industry, and the clients of us are at least 5 or 6 clients are in the top 25 rankings of the world, insurance clients, and we have the world largest clients part of our client portfolio, people who are in securities, shopping malls, healthcare, services industry, hospitality, governments, retail chains, chamber of commerce. These are all some of the clients. And to give a solid credibility to SunSmart, recently Microsoft has conducted a CSAT index survey across the clients of SunSmart. So they had taken the service with around 11 customers of SunSmart. So where you can find the results of us, recommendation of SunSmart for any other clients. 100% of my clients says yes, they will recommend us, as against the world standard of 92%. And 100% of our clients says they are satisfied, as against the 96% of the world standard. The quality of products, they found 82% find yes, they are happy with that, as against the 71% of the world standard. Value received for the money what they invested, 82% say yes, they received value, as against 65% of the world standard. And ability to meet the customer needs, 82% says yes, SunSmart has met their requirement, as against only 72% on the world standard. The technical competency of our resources, 82% says they are competent, as against only 17% of the world standard. So if you look into any of the areas of the KPIs, SunSmart has outperformed the existing world standards across all the partners of Microsoft. So this gives a direct credibility or credential why SunSmart is the right partner to manage or help you in delivering your IT solutions. So this is the spread of the recommendation, this is the spread of the satisfaction index, and I sincerely trust that we will create value for you as a partner. In case if you need any further clarifications, we will be happy to assist you in providing them out. Thanks for spending time with us. Have a great day.